when you're building a big welding bench, you need big iron. And to haul big iron, you need big steel. In Big Steel's van.
Epoxy, huh?
S is for safety sandals.
Got my steel toe sandals on.
Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just move those turbos out of the way. I'm gonna double check all my measurements. Probably trim some of these down a little bit. I really want it to fit right there under the stairs, kind of where that table saw's sitting. And the way I'm gonna do it, I'm probably gonna have to trim about 3 inches off each of these. It's no big deal. I'm gonna take my time. The garage isn't that big, so it's kind of critical that I get a table that really fits in here the way I want it. Not bad. Alright, we got everything cut, chewed up. Kind of a pain in the butt because I had the guys at the mill or the outlet, whatever, cut these, but their saw kind of cut like garbage, especially on the tube right away. So I just square all those up a little bit. And then with my other stuff, I just kind of pooped the bed on that one. I didn't tell them the right dimensions, so I had to trim those up a little bit. So I got everything trimmed up. I got to hit these with a flap disc yet, get it ready to weld. I take my burrs off and stuff like that, but we are pretty much ready to get to welding the frame together.
eyeball test here. It's been about 3 thou. That's what the calibrated eye says. Money. All right, so we got everything good. I think it's gonna be pretty darn square, but of course it doesn't really mean anything until you get it on the floor. I mean, it's only as square as your floor is, right? And I'm gonna put it on caster, so it's gonna roll around. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to finish it off with that last piece of angle iron for the shelf I'm gonna put below. But I'm actually going to recess that in probably about 8-10 inches so that my feet aren't kicking the shelf if I'm standing there working on it, you know, at the front of the table. Well, it's a little more of a gap than I wanted to fill in, but oh, that one's much better. No one will ever know. Wow. It's a lot more level than I thought it would be. I don't want to say I got lucky, but Oh, 90 and 7/8. Oh, 91 and an 1/8. That right there is called good enough for who it's for. I'm pretty thrilled with that, pretty happy with that. So now, I don't think I can weld this, solid weld this here because my welder's only rated for like 3/16. I'm gonna need something bigger that can burn on this 1/4 inch. This C channel might even be 5/16 in some spots. So I'm gonna V out a couple grooves, get it ready for welding. I'm gonna tack in some angle iron supports right here so that when I get my top on, it doesn't have any spring to it. And then I'm gonna get some caster plates, get this thing on wheels, and then we'll figure out a way to weld it. All right, so for the casters, I actually went with McMaster Car. It's hard to find something that is big enough to span a 3x3 tube with the bolt holes on Amazon, even though Amazon has some pretty cheap options, but these are nice. I think they were 30, 40 bucks a piece shipped. So I think all in, I got the brakes on top, was like 180 shipped from McMaster. But they're nice, they're painted and they're greasable both spots. They've got a huge roller bearing in here. So they should be pretty good. So I'm gonna square these plates up and tack them on, and then we're gonna put this baby on wheels. You guys want wheels? Get rid of the old eyeball test. Just a little bit. Money. Alright, come on, let's go outside. I'm gonna see if we can get these pads welded on, even though it's 3/8 and I'm working with a welder that's made to weld 3/16. But it'd be nice to get this done all in one shot, so I'm gonna throw the kitchen sink at it, preheat it best I can, and then we'll put the old MIG to her and see what happens. We're getting warmer. I think they keep getting uglier and uglier. All right, this will be functional milestone number 1. Does it have wheels? Oh boy. Wow, look at that. there it sits. It's welded up good enough. So now, gotta wait for a top. I'm getting quotes on 1/4" plate for the top, coming in at like $800. And so far I have $700 into the table. So $800 seems ridiculous for a 1/4" top. So I'm either gonna wait until the market chills out a little bit, or until I find something surplus or used on Craigslist or something like that. It'd be really cool to come across a piece of 3/8 or 1/2" plate or something. So I think we'll save the plate video for another day. I am going to probably throw a piece of plywood on this or some sheet metal I have laying around just so I can use it. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. Leave any questions in the comments, and we'll talk to you next time.